BMW. Doing the show. Lo right for me. Okay, let me have that color. Maybe he's stooning.
Put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I've been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crick. Shorty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud. There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, I had the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing out the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy.
Toyota logo 간다 저거.
Ni wa.
Camry.
So they said, oh,
He's only been a full 47 euro. Who's using a full 4 here? Pet goes there. I tell you what, I don't want to. There's a couple over there that I wanted to get myself, but I have to work. So it has been pretty tough for me to get down there. But a lot of you guys have. And I know some guys were kind of heartbroken, heartbroken, so maybe decided to wait and try to pick it up. I do have some good news for you though. I just been talking with Brian over at the HK Tent, and he's actually we coming on the board here. Well, Kenny Martin down to second by 2,000 from second. Brand Jefferson third. Fourth. That's before that. Brand Jefferson left second. He's in third. Right side Chris for Jezzo.
I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I find a piece of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes for you closer. I'm in a house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way with me. Maybe I'll take this pain away. Get him, man.